Okay, this is 98 American Mile Strip over here in Fort Walton, Florida. Right next to the Brooks Bridge, which is open today, but the traffic is a joke. It's all one lane, two destined. Forget it. 98 West. 2 miles of Mary Esther. This was all flooded out yesterday by the Whataburger. So I wonder if that drained off yet. So I would be interested to know if that was the ocean that came up over the road, or it was just rain because the road was too deep. Here's the Whataburger. You can see where the water was. There's a bunch of deer. Man, they even had a pylon wash up. Yes. So I'm guessing the ocean ran over the top. I'm just guessing. Don't know that for sure. Like all this was wet for a little ways. If it was, none of these people could get in or out. That's for sure. They'd be walking. But now Thai Spice is up on high ground, so maybe it didn't affect them. State trooper sitting in the car lot waiting for speeders, I guess. Rolled down because they didn't put it in concrete. If you get those fence pieces, you know, like at Lowe's and stuff, it's like $30 a section or whatever. You have to dig a hole and put concrete in it, or do it in buckets. Well, the chicken and eggs open, but their sign's blown down. That sign's been there for a bazillion years. Because those fence sections will just blow over. And when the ground gets wet, they just fall over if you don't seed them correctly. But you can take those sauce buckets like they use, you know, at Pizza Hut. You can buy them now at Walmart, really cheap, and set concrete in them, put the fence piece in them. You can dig the hole, put the bucket in there, and put the concrete in. And then set the fence in and tie it up to hold it up, brace it up till it dries, and it'll be a lot more sturdy. And if you have to, you can dig those buckets out, or you can just take a saw and saw it off. If you want to take the fence, take it out. I had a neighbor teach me how to do that. My friend Johnny Maples. Laundry line. I mean, the nicest, like, Cadillac of the laundry lines, okay? Really nice. This is Mary Astor Street. And it's clear. I gotta stop because it's a red light. They have street sweepers in parking lots that come service parking lots for different places, but I've never seen it like a street sweeper on the street down Fort Walton or Mary Astor or anything. So the streets look pretty good. There's a lot of the housing where there's trees and stuff, where there was a lot of trash on the ground because it blew out of the trees. There's not as many trees here. God, why are you crossing the street where it says no? Okay. I don't know why these driveways say do not enter. It makes zero sense at all. Let's see. I'll go in and see if I get some boxes. I imagine it's open. It's all taped off for some reason. There's somebody coming out, so I guess it is. I really don't need to be parking on the thing. I'll go over here because it's so hard to load stuff when the thing's on a hill like that. And I just gotta get some box over here.